How to select sections in Duolingo. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can select different lessons and sections. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm in my home page. Here on the top, you'll be able to see section 1. Simply tap on section 1. So this is the place where you can select different sections. So currently I'm in section 1 and I have not completed it all. But you can even skip and go to other sections easily. But make sure that you are very confident about it, because it will be better if you go one by one from section 1 to 2, because it will manually and by word and word teach you how to learn a new language and even help you to keep it in sentences. So it's better you start from section 1, but if you want to skip it, simply tap on the one that you want to change into. So here I'm tapping on 1 and tap on let's go. So the new section has been started. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.